When you decide it's time to register your remote accounting business, the first important decision you will need to make is to choose the legal form for your online practice: sole trader or a limited company. These two forms are the most popular, and both of them have advantages and drawbacks. The choice will depend on your individual situation and future business strategies. The major aspect would be the risk you are willing to take when running your accounting business. You have to be aware that, as a sole trader, your liability will be much greater compared to a limited company, and your personal assets may be in danger. Trading as a limited company, on the other hand, gives you more business credibility. It may be easier for the company to obtain finance and enter into business relationships. Limited companies are seen as more reliable and trustworthy. It does make sense to do that, to make the transition from a sole trader to a limited company once your trading income is stable and you have established client base. This gives you a greater chance of success for your new remote accounting business. How to start your remote practice? The process of registering your online accounting business is not as complicated as it sounds. Obviously, it is much easier to start as a sole trader, but setting up as a limited company may also be a relatively quick process in your country. The vast majority of countries enable the registration process online, and the procedures are rather simplified. You will also need to register for income tax or corporation tax with the tax office in your country of residence. An obligation to register for sales taxes will depend on your turnover, and it will vary by country. For example, in Europe, you need to consider VAT implications, while in the United States, you will be dealing with sales taxes. The registration thresholds are published online by tax authorities, and you can research them easily. You also want to check with your professional accounting body if you need to obtain a practicing license in your country. The license may be needed if you want to engage in certain public services. For example, I am registered with ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants in the United Kingdom, and I hold a practicing license because I provide tax compliance and statutory accounting services. However, if you want to start simple bookkeeping services, most probably you will not need a license for that. I am really happy that you have found the time to watch my tutorials. You have now gained very valuable information, and I hope you will find it useful. I'd like you to take what you have learned and actually put it in action. Now is the best time to do it, because if you don't take action now, you will forget what you have learned and you might lose the chance to transform your life. I promise that once you make the transition, your work-life balance and happiness will improve tremendously. Remember to grab my free guide if you haven't done so. It will help you make the transition from your day job to starting a remote practice and working from anywhere. Just click the link below. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.